Okay, I've made quite a few dots. And the next step you can do with your dots is you can look at your dot and what do you see in your dot? It might take a while. It might involve moving your paper around in different angles until you see something that you would like to draw with your dot. So for me, I think I'm going to turn this dot into a bird. So I'm going to start with the beak. This is going to be, the dot's going to be the bird's head. And I've noticed a lot of bluebirds lately, so that's what made me think of this. Maybe the eye. Dot, another dot for the eye. The body, I'm going to do a straight line, and then a curvy line. And the wings, I can do a straight line, out like that. And another line, and a curvy line. And then I can add a tail. And then I can finish up by coloring in the rest of the bird.